So this time we're going to talk about frequency, and the frequency of a wave is, remember how frequent it happens, how many waves pass a point per second. So how frequently that wave is passing through. So this is something that happens also with sound waves. It has a frequency, how many waves pass a point per second, and it's measured in something called hertz, which we've talked about before in class, which basically you just count how many waves go past in a second. So frequency for sound is related directly to pitch. So a higher frequency also means it affects the wavelength. Remember, you have a higher frequency, you have a shorter wavelength. So in the two waves, look in here, you see the first one says it's a high frequency wave. So there's more crests per that second. The low frequency wave has less crests. You can also compare those wavelengths to each other, which we've done in class before now. But just for a review, the wavelength of the high frequency wave is much shorter than the wavelength of the low frequency wave. And again, sound is a compressional wave. So sound, you would actually be able to count the compressions per second. So if it had more compressions per second, it would be closer together, higher frequency, and that again would be also the shorter wavelength.